All right, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on where you're watching from. It's another day. Look at this topic. You want to treat this topic: inequality. Inequality consists of this sign, which means less than, and this sign means greater than. This sign is less than or equal to, and this sign is greater than or equal to. Okay, with the example here, right here on the board, we are going to solve. We have x plus 4 less than 6. So what do we do here? The first thing we do here is we collect like terms. In collecting like terms, we have our what? X. After x, we have less than 6. Now, when this plus 4 crosses this inequality sign, it changes to minus 4. Minus 4. So we have our x is less than 6 minus 4 is 2. So it's very simple. This is just the answer to this particular question. All right, watch out for more examples in inequalities. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Crimzo Classroom. Thank you and see you there.